When it comes to creating smooth, delicious smoothies, the right appliance makes all the difference. The best blender for frozen fruit effortlessly crushes ice and frozen berries, delivering creamy textures and vibrant flavors with every blend, making your drinks irresistible. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Ninja BN701 Blender. The Ninja BN701 blender is built for anyone who wants powerful blending performance without complicated controls. Designed with a modern look and an upgraded motor, this blender delivers impressive power that easily handles everyday kitchen tasks. Its 1400 peak watt motor provides the strength needed to crush ice, frozen fruits, and create smooth beverages quickly. Whether you're preparing morning smoothies, frozen cocktails, or creamy milkshakes, the performance remains consistently strong and reliable. The signature Ninja Total Crushing blades are specifically engineered to break down tough ingredients and ice cubes into a smooth texture within seconds, giving drinks a professional cafe-style consistency at home. One of the most convenient features of this blender is its Auto IQ technology. Instead of manually adjusting blending speeds, the preset programs automatically control pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns to deliver perfect results. With 3 versatile Auto IQ programs, users can easily prepare smoothies, frozen drinks, and even ice cream with just a single touch of a button. This intelligent system removes guesswork from the blending process and ensures consistent results every time. The large 72-ounce total crushing pitcher makes it ideal for families or anyone who enjoys preparing large batches. With a maximum liquid capacity of 64 ounces, it allows you to make multiple servings at once, saving time and effort in busy kitchens. The pitcher is BPA-free, ensuring food safety, and the durable construction is built to withstand regular use. Cleaning is also simple and convenient. The pitcher and blade assembly are dishwasher safe on the top rack, which makes post-use cleanup quick and hassle-free. For those who like experimenting with recipes, the included 15-recipe inspiration guide provides helpful ideas for creating smoothies, frozen drinks, and other delicious blends. Overall, the Ninja BN701 blender stands out as a powerful and user-friendly appliance. With strong blending performance, smart Auto IQ programs, and a generous pitcher size, it offers both convenience and versatility, making it a reliable addition to any modern kitchen.
Number 2. PSIIDAN 68-ounce blender. The PSIIDAN 68-ounce blender is designed to deliver powerful performance and versatile functionality for a wide range of kitchen tasks. Equipped with a strong 1400-watt motor that can reach up to 1800 watts of peak power, this blender easily handles demanding ingredients such as frozen fruits, ice cubes, nuts, and thick mixtures. The 6-blade stainless steel system works efficiently to break down ingredients into smooth textures, making it ideal for preparing smoothies, soups, sauces, and even nut butters. Its powerful blending capability ensures that drinks and recipes come out creamy and consistent every time. A major advantage of this blender is its convenient 2-in-1 system. The large 68-ounce BPA-free blending jar provides enough capacity for family meals, batch smoothies, or meal prep. At the same time, the included 20-ounce grinder mill offers added versatility by allowing users to grind coffee beans, spices, grains, and other dry ingredients. This dual-function design turns the appliance into a multi-purpose kitchen tool, reducing the need for separate machines. The PSIIDAN blender also offers adjustable speed controls and a pulse function, allowing users to customize the texture of their recipes. Whether you want finely blended smoothies or slightly chunky sauces, the adjustable speeds provide excellent control. In addition, the built-in timer function enables hands-free operation, which is especially useful when multitasking in the kitchen. Durability is another key feature of this blender. The stainless steel blades are designed for long-lasting performance, while the sturdy construction supports frequent daily use. For convenience, the blending jar is dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. The self-cleaning function also simplifies maintenance by allowing users to clean the jar with just water and soap in seconds. Safety is also considered in the design with built-in overload protection to prevent overheating during heavy use. Overall, the PSIIDAN 68-ounce blender combines strong power, versatile functionality, and user-friendly features, making it a dependable kitchen appliance for both everyday cooking and creative recipe preparation. Number 3. Chefman 1380 Watt Blender. The Chefman 1380 Watt blender is a powerful and thoughtfully designed appliance that brings professional-level blending performance into the home kitchen. With its strong 1380 watt motor, this blender is capable of handling even the toughest ingredients with ease. Ice cubes, frozen fruits, and thick mixtures are quickly broken down into smooth textures, making it perfect for preparing smoothies, shakes, sauces, and frozen drinks. Despite its impressive power, the blender is engineered with an advanced airflow system that helps maintain quieter operation compared to many high-powered models. The blender features a durable 48-ounce Tritan blending jar that is both shatter-resistant and spacious enough for preparing drinks and recipes for multiple servings. Tritan material is known for its strength and safety, allowing users to blend a wide variety of ingredients confidently. The jar can also handle hot liquids, giving the blender additional flexibility for preparing soups and warm sauces. One of the standout features of this blender is the auto blend function. This intelligent system analyzes the ingredients placed in the jar and automatically adjusts blending settings to achieve the ideal consistency. This removes the need to manually experiment with speeds or timing, ensuring smooth and balanced results with minimal effort. For users who prefer more control, the intuitive dial control panel offers 5 blending speeds, along with a pulse option for fine-tuning textures. Additional features, such as a built-in countdown timer and LED alerts, provide helpful reminders when adjustments are needed, such as fixing the jar or adding more liquid. These smart notifications make the blending process easier and more user-friendly. Cleaning the blender is simple thanks to its dedicated Clean preset. Users can add soap and water and run the program for quick self-cleaning, or place removable components directly into the dishwasher. The innovative blunt blade design also enhances safety during cleaning. With its sleek black matte finish and award-winning design, the Chefman 1380 watt blender combines style with performance, making it a reliable and attractive addition to any modern kitchen.
Number 4. Reslee 56-ounce blender. The Reslee 56-ounce blender is designed for users who want powerful blending performance combined with practical everyday convenience. Built with a high-performance 3.5 horsepower motor, this blender can reach speeds of up to 30,000 RPM, allowing it to handle tough ingredients with ease. Frozen fruits, ice cubes, nuts, and fibrous vegetables are quickly transformed into smooth and creamy blends. Whether preparing smoothies, protein shakes, or frozen drinks, the blender delivers consistent results with impressive speed and efficiency. One of the standout qualities of the Reslee blender is its ability to produce ultra-smooth textures. When used with a liquid base, the machine effectively breaks down frozen ingredients into a velvety consistency without leaving behind chunks or grit. This makes it ideal for anyone who enjoys cafe-style smoothies or nutrient-packed drinks at home. The blender is also designed to serve multiple purposes in the kitchen. Its 6-in-1 functionality allows users to prepare a wide range of recipes, including smoothies, hot soups, nut butters, almond milk, and frozen beverages. This versatility makes it a practical tool for daily use, whether for fitness routines, family meals, or small gatherings. A convenient one-touch start feature makes operations simple and efficient. The built-in memory function remembers the last blending setting used, allowing users to quickly repeat their preferred blend without readjusting controls each time. This feature is especially helpful for people who prepare the same recipes regularly. The 56-ounce jar is made from durable Eastman Tritan material, known for its strength and food-safe design. It remains BPA-free even when blending hot ingredients, ensuring safe food preparation. Additionally, the compact height allows the blender to fit easily under most kitchen cabinets, saving valuable counter space. Cleaning the blender is quick and easy thanks to its self-cleaning function. With just water and a small amount of soap, the blender can clean itself in about 30 seconds. Overall, the Reslee 56-ounce blender combines power, versatility, and convenience, making it a reliable companion for everyday kitchen tasks.
Number 5. PSIIDAN 20-ounce blender. The PSIIDAN 20-ounce blender is a compact yet powerful kitchen appliance designed for users who want efficient blending performance without taking up too much space. Despite its smaller footprint, the blender is equipped with a strong 1400-watt motor that can reach up to 1800 watts of peak power. This impressive power allows it to crush ice, blend frozen fruits, and process tough ingredients quickly, producing smooth and creamy textures in just seconds. Whether making protein shakes, fruit smoothies, or nut butters, the blender delivers consistent and reliable results with just seconds. One of the most appealing aspects of this blender is its ability to produce silky smooth blends even when working with frozen ingredients. The 6-blade system is carefully engineered to break down ice and fruits evenly, preventing lumps or uneven textures. This ensures that every drink or recipe has a professional quality finish that feels smooth and enjoyable. The blender is also designed with versatility in mind. In addition to its main blending function, it includes a separate 20-ounce grinder attachment that can be used for grinding coffee beans, spices, and other dry ingredients. This dual-purpose design allows users to prepare a wider variety of recipes without needing multiple appliances in the kitchen. Ease of use is another highlight. Adjustable speed settings and a pulse function allow users to control the texture of their blends with precision. The built-in 60-second timer supports hands-free operation, which is especially useful during busy mornings when multitasking is necessary. Durability is ensured through the use of stainless steel blades and a thermal protection system that helps protect the motor during heavy use. This feature helps extend the lifespan of the blender and ensures dependable performance over time. Cleaning is quick and convenient thanks to the self-cleaning function, which takes about a minute using soap and water. The BPA-free blending jar is also dishwasher safe on the top rack. Overall, the PSIIDAN 20-ounce blender offers strong performance, versatility, and convenience in a compact design suitable for everyday use. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.